Let's create this beautiful soft glam cut crease makeup look. Guys, I have a simple, easy eyeshadow makeup tutorial for you guys today. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos that I share. This is the Juvia's palette that I will be using for this makeup look. And here I am beginning this eyeshadow look by setting that concealer. Going in with this color here, I'm going to apply this all over the entire lid, all the way up above your crease. And you just want to make sure that you're blending this eyeshadow out really, really well. And the reason I'm applying this eyeshadow color all the way above the crease is because I'm using this eyeshadow color as my base or the backdrop to the eyeshadow colors that I'm about to place on the eyes. Now for a little bit of highlight, I'm going in with the lighter color in this palette and I'm applying this right under my brow bone. Now to add some depth or warmth to this eyeshadow, I'm going in with the darkest shade in this palette. And most of the warmth I am bringing down to the lower lash line and the outer V. This eyeshadow technique is perfect for those of you who have hooded eyes because most of the depth or the warmth will be on the outer corner, which will actually help your eyes to look a lot more open. Going in with a eyeshadow shader brush because my fingers wasn't getting the job done. I am applying the gold eyeshadow in this palette. And the way that I'm going to apply this shimmery eyeshadow is going to give you the effects of a cut crease. I like to push my eyeshadow brush against my crease and create the illusion of a cut crease. So if you ever wanted to create a cut crease and you just feel intimidated by all the videos that you see, or maybe the techniques that you see people use to create a cut crease, this video is proof that creating beautiful eyeshadows do not have to be complicated. So to add a little bit more smokiness to the outer V, I'm just applying that same deep color that's in that palette a little bit more and I'm blend it out just to make sure there's no harsh line. And then here I'm just applying some mascara, getting that eye ready for my false lashes. After applying my Ardell lashes, I'm using my eyeliner to go above the false lash band. This is a little technique that helps your lashes and your fake lashes to look like they're one. For the final step, I'm going to go ahead and use a setting spray to take away all that powdery effect from the face. And here is the finished look. I really enjoyed creating this makeup look. I hope that it was simple and easy to follow. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have not already done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other videos that I share. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.